Patrick, the lazy content creator, coming at you from the comfort of my recliner, because what I'm going to share with you today is so simple that you really don't have to put a whole lot of effort into it. We all have our moments as content creators where we lack inspiration, we lack consistency. So what I'm going to share with you today is a quick, useful cheat to help keep you consistent, help keep you give you some ideas, and keep your followers engaged so that you can build your community and you can grow your business. So snuggle up in your favorite chair. Go ahead and kick those feet up and get comfy, and let's dive in as we grow our businesses the lazy way. So what I'm going to share with you today, there's several videos on it where people show you how to use Chat GPT and Canva to bulk create. And we're going to start with that, and we're going to call that the beginner level. And then I'm going to show you a little bit more advanced ways to we're going to go a little bit deeper, and I'm going to show you some useful tools in Canva that'll help you even further. So the first part of this video is all going to be done in Canva. Canva is a free multimedia design studio, for lack of better word. Now I'm going to caveat that everything that I am going to share, although this is free and you can still accomplish a lot of this stuff, it's just going to require extra steps. If you want to be able to do what I'm doing, you have to upgrade to a pro account. So we're going to come to Canva, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to open a document. This is a somewhat newer feature of Canva, and we're going to use the AI system within Canva to go ahead and give us some content ideas. So once we have our blank Word document or Canva document right here, we're going to find this plus sign here. And because we're all about inspiring business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs, we're going to go ahead and come up with some, some motivation and inspiration. So write me 10 motivational quotes. Whoops, not quats, quotes for business owners and aspiring entrepreneurs. I can't spell. All right, and here we have it. Now, if you're not satisfied with it, you can go deeper with some prompts. I got a different video on how to play with prompts and to get a little bit more specific. But for the sake of argument, we're just going to go ahead and go roll with this. So we take the content that is produced, going to highlight and copy it. We'll take it over to spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheets, whatever. We'll go ahead and paste it. And save it as a CSV file. All right. Once we have it saved as a CSV file, go back over to Canva. We're going to do Instagram story. Instagram story. Oh, it's searching projects for some reason. Okay, like that's not right. Make sure you're in templates. And you can scroll and find one that you like. Or I'm just going to open up a blank one. All right, my camera's super lagging, so I'm just going to turn it off. But once we have the story template, look for motivational quotes. Pick something like this. Go ahead and get rid of that. I don't need that. Once you have your template selected, go down to your apps, and in the search bar, we'll hit bulk and click on bulk create. And then we'll go ahead and upload that CSV file that you just saved. Once it's uploaded, you'll see the text in the text field here. So now what we have to do is we need to connect this information to this information. So simply highlight the text box, click on the three dots, and connect data. And we'll see that the first quote is put into the text box. And from here, of course, we can change the font and the size, color. Oh, that's hard to read. Whatever. And then you just hit continue and generate. And then what I'm trying to show you with this is that you use that first template to create what you want your content to look like, and then it's going to generate or duplicate that template on all of the following pages. So as you can see, it generated all of the pages with connecting it to those quotes. Now that's one way that we can come up with some content ideas and leverage the AI and Canva to create the content for us in bulk. I mean, we just created 10 posts like that. You post one of those a day, and then you can come back and make a different kind of post and post one of those a day, because we know that as content creators, people want to be entertained and educated, and the whole thing, lifestyle, the whole thing, right? So we can make our content in bulk enough for a month in those different categories, and scheduled to share them in an hour, and we're done for the month, right? So that's pretty awesome. But now what I want to show you is I want to take it a step further and go to Chat GPT, which is a more robust AI platform with access to a much more robust database, so we can get more content ideas, and we can go a little bit deeper with our content. Okay, so to get to Chat GPT, go ahead and go to chat.openai.com. All right, if you don't have an account, just go ahead and sign up for it. They ask you some information. It's completely free, so no worries there. But once you're in Chat GPT, you can do the same thing. Write 100 motivational quotes to inspire business people. Business owners. And then from there, it's really just the same thing. You just highlight it, put it into a spreadsheet, download it as a CSV, and connect the data in Canva. Okay, but let's go ahead and continue and take it a step further. Now, probably what I'm gonna go over now is that you probably have a Facebook account, Instagram account, LinkedIn account, YouTube community, things like that, and they're all different aspect ratios. So what we're going to do now is we're going to convert all of these. Again, you need a pro account, but what we're going to do is we're going to convert all of these in order to fit all of those different platforms. So simply, what we can do is, if you have the pro account, you can just come up to resize, this magic button. If you don't have a pro account, you're going to have to do it the long way. So I would encourage you to get the pro account. It's just a one-time fee, and quite honestly, like it's really worth it. But you can come into here and hit, you're going to do a Facebook post, you're going to do an Instagram post, and then we're already on. And then a LinkedIn post. Copy and resize. And we'll see that all of the different sizes per applicable aspect ratio have been resized and put in their own tab. All right, so now we're just going to pick our platform, and from here we can start to share or schedule our shares. Again, whenever you see this crown, you have to have a pro account. Otherwise, you can just share manually. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to make our time more efficient. So I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow. We'll do 9:23 a.m. Sure. There we go. This is our Facebook. So yeah, that's my Facebook page. Go get that a follow. Shameless plug. Now, I don't want to share all of my pages because that would defeat the purpose. I'm only going to share page 1. Now, here's where Chat GPT can really come in handy. Also, I want to note that I'll put a link in the description to a separate video, or actually I'll drop it somewhere up here, that I go a little bit deeper into Chat GPT on how to use prompts and have Chat GPT kind of learn its job with you. So you can check that video out as well. I'll also put a link in the description for prompt ideas, and so that you can get the most bang for your buck, even though it's free, out of Chat GPT. So link will be in the description, so check that out. So we're going to jump over to Chat GPT to give us our copy for our Facebook post, our LinkedIn post, and our Instagram post, complete with hashtags, whatever. Now, when it comes to Chat GPT, you can't just be like, write me Facebook copy for this, whatever. There's a couple things you can do. Some people like to warm up Chat GPT by giving it some examples, whatever. I like to give it a job. Like, I'm going to say, you are a expert, you are a Facebook influencer, expertise in copywriting, giving it like, this is who you are kind of thing, giving it a role in society. And then like, I am your human liaison, right? That's a common one. Whatever you write, I will share on Facebook to your followers. You have created a Facebook post for your page. Powerful AI tools. Give that a follow. I mean, short and sweet. Looks like matching that Winston Churchill quote right there, posting, believe in yourself. So, maybe we just take what they have and paste that in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to, instead of success is not final, failure is not fatal, because that's a different quote, I'm just going to put remember, know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. I like it. Okay. And then we will hit schedule. And there you have it. Your post has now been scheduled. Now you would just do that again for all of your content, and there you have it. You have everything created. You can do 10 posts or a month's worth of posts, and then you can schedule everything and share it right there. And you can do all of this in less than an hour. So imagine with that time saved, what you can accomplish with that extra time. But now let's take it another step further. What about a YouTube video? So here's what we can do with a YouTube video, how we can leverage ChatGPT and Canva to get our content out to the masses. This is a brand new channel that I just started to help promote all of these AI tools. So, give us a subscribe. One thing you can do is in the Chrome uh, extensions is you can download this YouTube video summary, easy copy with Chat GPT. I don't know if I said that right. And it'll populate right here in the top right corner. And it'll create a transcript of the entire video. We're going to hit summary, and this is important. And this is important. This has purpose. Go to summary. We're going to copy that summary, and we're going to take it over to Chat GPT. Now we're going to do like similar to what we did with the Facebook post, but we're going to say, hey, paraphrase this summary in no more than 140 characters. And there you have it. And we can tweak that. We can tweak that as needed, but we're just going to leave it for right now. Another thing we need to do when we go over to Canva, go to the home. One of the things that we need to do is we need to build our brand. Okay, this is going to come in handy. And your brand kit, you can upload logos, your color palette, photos, which I actually need to. Not here. Go back to Brand Hub, go to Brand Templates, and see I already have a brand template here that I made. And you can make whatever template that you want to make. Okay, and this YouTube thing is just a placeholder. I'm gonna get rid of it when we move on. But when we go back home, we have projects, and this is important. When we do our projects, I have a folder for promoting new YouTube videos. That's not my folder. Where's that? Here it is. Promoting YouTube videos. Okay. And then I have images. This is where I put my images. So I need to add, for this particular example, oh, that's design. Upload. Jeez. I swear I've done this before. Okay. And here's my thumbnail right there. Okay. So now I have it saved in my projects. All right. And this is going to come in handy later. Now I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet. Clear that out. And I'm going to put the title of my YouTube video. I know you saw those views. We got to get those views up, people. Be much obliged. Put our link, and then we'll come over here and grab our description. Okay. Now we're going to put all of this together. Once we have all of our pertinent data in our spreadsheet, we'll come back over to Canva right here, and we'll go ahead and open up our new YouTube video here. Now, just like we did before with the motivational quotes, we'll come over here to our apps. And in the search bar, go back to bulk, create. Now, instead of uploading a CSV file, we're going to do this manually. Go ahead and clear all this junk out. Boom. Come on. All right. description. I can't spell. Title. Now, the additional thing we're going to do here is we're going to add image. Okay. And this is why we needed to make sure that we uploaded that image, because here's our project right here, the YouTube video promote, images, and there's our thumbnail. Okay. When you do bulk, you want to make sure that you have the matching thumbnails per title of your video, but I'm only just doing the one right now. So I'll go back to my spreadsheet, copy. Then grab the description. Okay. Scroll down to done. We see that it has populated. Now we just do the same thing we did before. Go over to our title. Connect data to title. Hit description and connect data to description. Now, like I said before, this is just a placeholder. We go ahead and get that out of there. And recently used frames. Right. Grab yourself a frame to put there. Okay. And then we're going to connect data to image. Okay. Once we have everything connected, we have all of our check marks. Everything's connected. We just hit continue and then generate. And then we'll just come and clean it up. Now it's literally just the same thing that we did before. You share it on your social, change the aspect ratio, all that stuff that we just did previously. So if you need to go back and watch it, hey, have at it. But that's how you can use Canva and Chat GPT to bulk create and even promote your YouTube videos and blogs and whatever else. And rewatch this video, go try it for yourself, learn something new, and have fun with it, man. This stuff is powerful. This stuff is fun to do. I mean, you can do so much, and as an old fart, you're doing so much that never thought possible. So I'm having a lot of fun with it. I hope you are too. I hope you got something out of this and got some value. If you did, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and share with your folks. And until then, we're going to keep doing things the lazy way and see what happens. So catch you on the next video.